Hi, I'm Tony Stefani, Hillside Christmas Tree Farm, and today I want to talk about a Black Hill spruce that I came across, and this is it. It has kind of an odd double leader, and the main leader that I liked, was more off to the side as a shoot. We can see the one that is on the left-hand side is really underdeveloped, and in my pouch, I'm carrying these ADC bands, and what I'm going to do is just tie these two branches, these two leaders together, and kind of see what happens. Looking back, hindsight, I should have probably cut off that whole kind of top cluster on that left-hand side that I don't want to interfere with the leader that the side that I want the leader to be. But, obviously this tree is still pretty small, so next year I can come back and kind of reevaluate and what I think should happen. And then I'm just going to take the knife, do the side shoots, and give it a little bit of shape, take off some extra growth. And I do notice that it is a little separated, a little more separated, so I'm going to add another ADC band here just to kind of hold it a little tighter. And this is how that tree is going to look. So let me know what you think. Did I make the right decision? I guess when I come back next year, we'll kind of reevaluate. I didn't put a tag on this tree at all, but overall, I think this is what I did. So let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching.